In this video, we'll be adding and subtracting positive integers and seeing how they are affected on the number line. So let's have a look. Before we begin, if you haven't already, I want you to draw a number line from -10 to 10. Make sure that the numbers are the same width apart, preferably 1 centimeter, and if that doesn't fit, make them half a centimeter wide. Okay. Here I have a relatively easy number, 3 plus 2. When adding positive numbers, we want to move to the right on the number line. So we begin at 3, and when adding 2, we move to the right 2 spots to get an answer of 5. Similarly, when subtracting positive numbers, we want to move to the left on the number line. So we start at 3, move 2 spots to the left, and we end up at 1. These should be fairly familiar to you. But this number 3 is where we start from. But if I was to start at -3, I would just be at a different starting point on the number line. I still move left when I'm subtracting and right when I'm adding. So, -3 take away 2 means that I move 2 spots to the left on the number line. Now some people might think that this would be -1, but looking at the number line it's easy to see that this answer will be -5. What happens if it was -7 plus 3? We begin at -7 on the number line, and when adding 3 we move right 3 spots on our number line, giving us an answer of -4. This is a lot easier with a number line, but you'll be expected to be able to do this without one in the future. What about -1 plus 8? We start at -1, and when adding 8 we move to the right 8 spots, giving us an answer of +7. We don't have that positive symbol in front of the 7. Any number that is just by itself we assume is positive. Now we've got a question that says -23 take away 5, and it won't fit on our number line, so we may have to create another one for ourselves. Let's have a look at this number line here. I'm beginning with -23, so I'm going to draw -23 on this number line, but I'm going to make it to the right because I know that I'm subtracting and I'm going to need to move left. I'm going to move 5 spots to the left, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots to the left. If you can't see what this is, maybe adding the numbers in will help us with the answer. This gives us an answer of -28, giving us a much larger magnitude, 28, but still in the negative direction. Here are 5 questions to try yourself. I suggest that you pause the video now, try them yourself, get the answers in your head, because the answers will be coming up in just a second. Okay, here are the answers for you to check. I hope you got them all right. If not, try them again and see if you can come up with the answers for yourself. And that's it. Hopefully now you know how to add and subtract positive integers, and you have a strategy to deal with numbers that aren't on a very small number line. Good luck.